might. Okay, might is also very important for us. We will be learning might first of all. Okay, might is what? When we try to show very less possibility, the least possibility. Whenever we try to show the least possibility, that time we use might. Okay, might means chances very less. That is called might. So first of all, I will show you the board so that you can have a I hope the board is there, right? Okay. So here I'll be writing the chapter name. That is the topic name actually, not chapter. Sorry. So here might I will write. So you also write in your copy might. MIGHT. Okay. Might. It's it's a modal. We have already started modals. Modals are kind of auxiliary verbs. Okay. So this is also auxiliary verb. Modal. That is might.
O- Okay, sir.
So might is also a very important part. First of all, we will have the definition of might. Next, we will be learning how to use might properly. Lekho. To sow, to sow, SHOW. To sow, sow means dikhana. That's dekhano. To show the least possibility of any action, to show the least possibility, LEAST, least, little, less or lesser, and least. Least is the superlative degree. Okay, least is superlative degree. Okay, so little, less or least. To show the least possibility of any action, we use might. What we use might. Okay, तो हिंदी में ऐसा सेंटेंस होगा शायद हो सकता है आज शायद बारिश हो सकता है বাংলায় কি হবে আজকে বৃষ্টি হলেও হতে পারে that time what we use might for less possibility हो सकता है अगर सेंटेंस हिंदी में ऐसा होगा हो सकता है तो उस टाइम पे मे यूज होगा ठीक है अगर सेंटेंस ऐसा होगा शायद हो सकता है मींस चांसेस वेरी लेस মানে হলেও হতে পারে খুবই কম চান্স that time we use might. Now I will tell you the formula how to use might properly. Yes, please
স্যার হতে
tell.
পারে তাই তো?
হলেও হতে পারে
Sir, do I
চান্সেস
know
ভেরি
why?
লেস হুম
Sir, why do you speak in Hindi?
Hindi actually Ayat has some problems to understand in Bengali, so that's why I'm telling in Hindi also, so that we can also get it. Ayat knows Hindi and English, that's why. You know Bengali English, they also she knows Hindi and English, that's why. Everybody should learn
Oh,
in this class. Everybody will learn, that's why. Okay, so first of all,
actually, I did
uh, first of all, formula we will be learning subject plus might plus V1 plus object plus RW. RW means remaining words. Okay, Ayat is new. So RW means remaining words for her. So formula is what? Formula is subject plus might plus V1 plus object plus RW. Very easy formula. Everybody can grab it. So let's start.
Sir, I might go there.
I might go there. Correct?
Sir,
Hmm.
sir,
Hmm.
it might rain now.
It might rain now. Correct? It might rain now.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I will create more than 2 or 3 sentences.
At least one, two. It's for your practice only. Yeah. Just for practice. Make. Acha, everybody tell. Next. Or anybody? Bikram, tell Bikram.
Sir, 1 minute,
Sir,
sir.
I might
Hmm.
purchase iPad.
Correct.
I have complete.
I have completed. Not complete. I have
Yes,
completed. Hmm.
I have completed.
Done to? Okay, so
Yes, sir.
next one. Next one we will go. Acha. Bikram, tell anything.
Sir, she might have met him yesterday.
মাইট আবার হ্যাভ করো না, সি মাইট মিট হিম, হ্যাঁ, আর হ্যাভটা আবার আলাদা। হ্যাভটা আমি পরে দেখাবো, ঠিক
Okay,
আছে?
sir. Okay, okay.
হ্যাঁ, ওটা হ্যাভটা করো না, মি মাইট মিট হিম। মাইট হ্যাভ করলে মেট করতে হবে, ঠিক আছে? এটা অন্য মানে হয়ে যায়, ওটা বলে সাবজাংটিভ মোড।
Okay, sir.
হ্যাঁ, আচ্ছা, নেক্সট ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট টপিক টুডে উইল বি কভারিং, হ্যাঁ, ভেরি ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট, এভরিবডি কনসেন্ট্রেট, হ্যাঁ। Used to, this one we will be learning today, very very important topic, everybody should concentrate this one on this particular topic. Used to, देखो, what is used to? First of all you need to understand, used to means any kind of past habit, past का कोई आदत, অতীতের কোনো অভ্যাস, that is called used to. What is used to? When we try to show any kind of past habit. हिंदी में कैसे होगा? लाइक मैं वहां पे जाता था, आई यूज टू गो देयर। ওকে, मैं ये काम करता था, आई यूज टू डू दिस वर्क। আমি এই কাজটা করতাম, आई यूज टू डू दिस वर्क। আমি ফুটবল খেলতাম, आई यूज टू प्ले फुटबॉल। So any kind of past habit, to show any kind of past habits we use used to, okay, right? For any past habit, for any past habits we use use, we use used to, used, used, to, used to. For any kind of past habits we use used to. Achha, this use and that use, mainly what we do, we use this particular use word for main verb, মানে ব্যবহার করা, ইস্তেমাল করনা। That use and this use both are different, this is a phrase, this used to has a different meaning, totally different kind of meaning, okay? This is heavy, notice, not like that one, that is different and this one is totally different, not same. Don't be confused. Achha, now I'll write the formula, okay?
Sir, we use used to.
We use used to for any past habits, any kind of past habit. As a formula, subject plus used to plus v1 plus object plus rw. This is the formula of used to. Though here we are talking about past tense, still we are using v1, that has to be noticed properly, it is past, still v1, because after 2 we always use v1. Okay, so next, are getting, no problem though, sound is coming properly, everybody,
Yes, sir.
sound is coming though,
Yes,
no
sir.
problem. Okay, okay, good, good, very good. Okay, so let's go next part. Okay, so now formula, say formula, say sentence, I used to play football, I used to play football, मैं फुटबॉल खेलता था, আমি ফুটবল খেলতাম, তাই তো? Getting everybody? I used to play football, আমি ফুটবল কি করতাম?
Sir, you
আমি
missed
ফুটবল
to.
খেলতাম, হ্যাঁ?
You missed to. I used.
হ্যাঁ, used to, okay. I used to play football. I used to play football means আমি ফুটবল খেলতাম, मैं फुटबॉल खेलता था, okay. अच्छा, मैं फुटबल नहीं खेलता था, আমি খেলতাম না, কি হবে? I didn't, তো নেগেটিভ, past tense, I didn't use to play football. अच्छा, here one thing you need to notice, after did not we always use v1, here you cannot put ed, here you have to put only use, use, you cannot say used, that has to be understood. अच्छा, next, I didn't used to play football. Question, did I use to play football? Did I used to play football? Or last one, didn't I used to play football. Question mark. Okay, check it properly. I used to play football. I didn't used to play football. Negative sentence. Positive interrogative. Did I used to play football? And negative interrogatives. Didn't I used to play football? So there are four types of sentences. Whenever we learn a particular type of sentences, okay, we have to make it in four parts. Any kind of phrase, whatever we learn. Understood, everybody? Any doubt? Tell me. Vikram, no doubt, so?
No, sir. Clear.
Yes. Ayat, tell me, Ayat, any doubt, Ayat? Clear?
No, sir.
No doubt, though? Okay, good, very good. Samia also clear, Samia? No problem? Yes. Okay, make one or two examples. Hmm?
We have already
Okay, you have already done this one. Okay, okay, then so you know that properly. Okay, make one or two examples by yourself. Okay, I'll check it. Make one or two examples yourself.
sir,
Complete.
Hmm? Hmm.
Complete.
Acha, let them do. Just wait for 2 minutes. Let them also do. I'll ask you then.
sir,
Hmm.
my tab activities. That's
Huh?
why I will not have to tell the sentences of mine. Can I tell now?
Yes, tell. No problem. That time you did not tell. Now you can tell. No problem. Tell. Please tell.
She might get a big surprise. She
Hmm.
might not get a big surprise.
Correct.
Might she get a big
No. In might na. Don't make it interrogative. Up to negative. Positive and negative. Might generally it is not used for interrogative and negative interrogative purpose. Don't do it. Grammatically it's correct, but practically it is not in use. It is not that much used. Don't do that. Up to negative.
I don't.
Hmm. Tell. Any other sentence you made?
I you say I might get a freeze.
Hmm.
I might not get a freeze.
Okay.
It might win here heavy.
Hmm. Hmm.
It might not win here heavy.
Correct.
They
Correct.
might complain him
Hmm.
because he did some bad
Hmm.
things.
Hmm.
They might not complain him because
Hmm.
he did some bad things.
Okay.
So can I tell them used to?
Yes, of course. Now start. You tell, and then Sampurna also will start. Tell.
She used to get slapped from her mother.
Okay.
She didn't used to get slapped from her mother.
Hmm. Okay. Here you can make it did he also, huh? Interrogative also you can make.
Hear me?
Hmm. Make or another example you make. Acha, Sampurna start. Sampurna tell. Unmute and
Sir,
tell.
completed.
Okay, 1 minute. Huh? Let her tell. Sampurna tell.
Sir, first do I say might?
No, used to. Used to.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Hmm. Hmm.
I used to go to school before COVID situation. I used not to go.
No, use not. Here you see didn't used to. Use
Did
not to
not.
correct.
Sorry, sir.
Okay. No
Used
problem, no
to.
problem. You can try. Tell.
I did not used to go to school
Hmm.
before COVID situation. Did
Correct.
I used to go to
Hmm.
school
Hmm.
before COVID situation? Did
Hmm.
I not used to school before COVID situation?
Correct.
They used to play in the ground
Hmm.
in the afternoon.
Hmm.
They did not used to play in the ground in afternoon.
Hmm.
Did they play used to? Yeah,
Did
sorry.
they used to? Did they used to?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Did they used to play in the ground in the afternoon?
Hmm.
Did they not
Hmm.
used to play in
Hmm.
the ground in the afternoon? Rima
Correct.
used to take.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Correct. Tell again.
Rima used to take a cup of tea
Hmm.
in
Hmm.
the morning.
Hmm.
Rima did not used to take a cup of tea in the morning.
Takes no I can
Did
do.
Rima
Take. Takes cannot be used. Take only. After two always V1. টেক্স হবে না কিন্তু, হ্যাঁ, টেক। ওকে,
Did
কন্টিনিউ।
Rima
হুম
take a
হুম
cup of tea in the morning?
হুম
Did Rima not used
হুম
to take a cup of tea in the morning?
কারেক্ট।
Elena used to read more than 12 hours in a day.
হুম
Elena not used to read
ডিড নট।
more than yes sir did
হুম
not used to read more than 12 hours in a day.
হুম
Did Alina used to read more than 12 hours in a day?
হুম
Did Alina not used to read more than 12 hours in a day?
5 স্টার।
I
টেল।
used
হুম
I used to eat burger.
হুম
I did not use to eat burger. Did I
হুম
used to eat burger?
হুম
Did not I used to eat burger?
কারেক্ট।
I
হুম
used to play chess.
হুম
I did not used to play chess.
হুম
Did I used to play chess? Did
হুম
not I used to play chess?
কারেক্ট। নাও বিক্রম উইল স্টার্ট। বিক্রম, প্লিজ স্টার্ট।
Sujan used to play cricket.
হুম
Sujan didn't used to play cricket.
হুম
Did Sujan used to play cricket?
হুম
Didn't Sujan used to play cricket?
কারেক্ট। হুম
Next is my friend used to run fast.
হুম
Uh, my friend didn't used to run fast.
হুম
Did my friend used to run fast?
হুম
Didn't my friend used to run fast?
কারেক্ট। হুম
Complete, sir.
অভিনব, স্টার্ট।
Yes, sir.
ইয়েস। হুম
I used to go to the
হুম
market.
হুম
I don't used to go to the
নো,
market.
ডিড ইট পাস্ট টেন্স, ডিডন্ট অলওয়েজ।
I didn't used to go to the market.
কারেক্ট।
Did
হুম
I? Oh, oh, it is.
Did I used to go to the market? To the market, it is incorrect. To market. Huh? Here it should be to market, not to the market. To the market is not incorrect. Actually, it has different meaning. I didn't used to go to market. It should be the
Yes, sir.
correct answer.
Yes, sir. I'm reading from the first.
Hmm.
I used to go to the market.
Hmm.
I didn't used to go to the market.
Hmm.
Did I used to go to the market?
Hmm.
Didn't I used to go to the market?
Hmm.
She used to move there.
Hmm. Hmm.
She didn't used to move there.
Hmm.
Did she used to move there?
Hmm.
Did she not used to move there?
Correct.
He used
Hmm.
to
Hmm.
play here.
Hmm.
He didn't used to play here.
Hmm.
Did he used to play here?
Hmm.
Didn't he used to play here?
Good. Very good. All are correct
We
sentences.
used to
Hmm.
stay here.
Hmm.
We didn't used to stay here.
Hmm.
Did we used to stay here?
Hmm.
Didn't we used to stay here?
Correct. Hmm. Okay. Now
Done, sir.
what we look, yes. Now what we will do? We will have some homework. Okay. We have to practice when we stay home also. That's why. Few words I will be
Sir, I
giving here.
made more sentences.
More sentences you have made. Very good. Tell, please share.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
And they used to order food every day.
Hmm.
They didn't used to order food every day.
Hmm.
Did they used to order food every day?
Hmm.
Didn't they used to order food every day?
Correct.
Uh,
Hmm.
we used to bath properly.
Hmm.
We didn't used to
Hmm.
bath properly.
Hmm.
Did we used to bath properly?
Hmm.
Didn't we used to bath properly?
Hmm.
She used to buy
Hmm.
dresses for her family
Hmm.
on a occasion. She didn't used to buy. She
Hmm.
didn't used to buy dresses for her
Hmm.
family
Hmm.
on a occasion.
Hmm.
Did she used to buy dresses for her family on a occasion?
Hmm.
Didn't she used to buy dresses for her family on a occasion?
Correct.
I used to get
Hmm.
I used to get mud on my clothes.
Hmm. Hmm.
I didn't used to get mud on my clothes. Did I used to get mud on my clothes?
Hmm.
Didn't I used to get mud on my clothes?
Correct. Acha, see one thing. Uh, Here five words I have given. These five words. Begin. Begin means to start doing something. so means dikhana, তাই তো দেখানো। ক্যাচ ইউ নো, ফ্রিজ জমে যাওয়া, ওকে, and leap মানে ছেড়ে দেওয়া, তাই তো, these are 5 words. So these 5 words you have to keep with you and you have to make 5 sentences. Okay, you can use any tense or any modal you can use. Okay, next day I will check all the words, one by one.
Okay.
Any doubt about these words? Share. No problem. So everybody knows the meaning.
No, sir.
Meaning you know, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
Good.
sir. No,
Very.
sir.
Yes. Yes. Good. Very good. Very good. Achha, so today we have done might, and very important part we have done, that is used to.
Used to.
Might and used to. Two things we have done today. Very important two topics we have covered. Next day we will try to cover need.
Yes.
Okay, that is also very much
Yes,
important. Zarurat, মানে প্রয়োজন, that is called need. So next day we will be starting
sure.
need also. Okay, so that's all for today. Next day come to the class. Don't be
Okay,
late.
sir.
Don't be late. To be on time would be better for us. Okay, thank you.
Sir, I will check my
Bye, sir.
network before
Okay,
joining.
definitely,
Thank
definitely.
you
Check.
for the
And
class.
today your network was good, Abhinav. It was better than earlier.
Yes, sir.
Yes, thank you, Ayat. It was
Okay,
better.
sir. Thank you, sir. Good night.
Good night, all of you. Good
Bye,
night.
sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.